how to switch back to a personal account from a business account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account back to a personal account if you changed it to a business account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom menu. Once you get to your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open the menu. And then we just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll see the For Professionals section. Go ahead and select Business Tools and Controls. This will bring us to business, and from here scroll all the way down and you'll see Switch Account Type, and then just select Switch to Personal Account. They'll give you a quick warning that you'll lose some of your promotional information or insights into your content, things like that, because you don't have a professional account anymore. So once you're fine with that, go ahead and select Switch to Personal Account. Once you do that, give it a second or two. It'll bring you back to the main page of the settings. Then you can just go back to your profile and you now have a personal account on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.